Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer investments to Fidelity from SoFi Invest. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer investments from SoFi Invest to Fidelity, start by gathering your account information. Log into your SoFi Invest account and locate your investment portfolio. Identify the types of investments you wish to transfer, such as stocks, ETFs, or other assets. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the Fidelity website. If you don't have a Fidelity account, create one by providing the required information. Once your Fidelity account is set up, log in to your account. Go to the Transfers section, usually found in the main menu. Select the option for transferring assets from another brokerage. You will be prompted to enter your SoFi Invest account details. Fill in the required information, including your account number and investment types you wish to transfer. After entering the details, carefully review the transfer request. Submit your transfer request and wait for the confirmation. Fidelity will communicate with SoFi Invest to facilitate the transfer process. This process may take several days to complete, so be patient. You can monitor the status of your transfer through your Fidelity account. Once the transfer is complete, verify that all your investments. If you encounter any issues, contact Fidelity's customer support for assistance. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth transfer of your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.